Hey, we have got a new update, version 1.47, and one of the major release in this version is a better power mode or a completely revamped power mode feature. Some other minor improvements are improved handling for pause or resume media during the recording functionality. It was a little bit buggy in the previous version. Then we have made some improvements to the default prompts, added a feature to never keep the history or retain any data. Then we have the feature to paste the last transcript at the current position. So you can just use the Control V and it will paste the last transcription at your current cursor. You can see here. So one of the features that I want to talk about in this video is the power mode feature and what are the differences between this power mode feature and the previous one. If you are using VoiceInk for a long time, you already know what power mode is. Power mode allows you to create configurations that automatically trigger based on the website or based on the application that you are using. Also, you can not just only trigger them using those triggers, but also by using the keyboard shortcut if you are currently recording. So previously, VoiceInk had a global toggle for power mode, and if you toggle it on, it will override all of your other settings here in the other parts of the application. Now it won't happen. You have a way to create a power mode. Here you can add some triggers, or if you don't want to add triggers and you want to manually trigger the power mode, you can also do that. I'll just show you in a second. And you have the individual toggle to turn these on or off. And currently I have three modes over here: coding mode, a mail mode, and chat mode. Where all of these are using like a slightly different model for AI enhancement and different prompt, but all of these are using the Parakeet model for local transcription with context awareness. So I'll just show you an example. If I go to let's say mail application, now I can just turn on start recording with VoiceInk and it will automatically apply the email prompt with the settings that it had for the email mode. Right now I can just close this and just go to random other websites. Let's say okay, VoiceInk website, and it will use the default configurations or default setting that the app had. So it does not mess up with your default setting. Only when you are using the power mode, it will automatically apply the power mode setting. And again, after the recording session is completed, it will restore your previous setting so that during the next recording, you would use those same settings. Previously, you could only change either the prompts or either the power mode. Now you can do the both. For switching power mode, you will have to use the keyboard shortcut option 1 through 9. Option 1 will activate the first enabled power mode in your list. Option 2 will activate the second enabled, and similarly. So right now you can see here, I have not selected any power mode. If I select option 1, it will be the coding mode. If I select option 2, it will switch to mail mode. And if I use option 3, it will switch to the chat mode. So I'll just show you an example. Just see it over here. Okay. I'll just use the mini recorder, and mini recorder has also been changed a little bit. And if you enable option, if you just press the keyboard shortcut option 1, you can see it is changing option 2, option 3. Option 1 is coding, option 2 is email. Oh, sorry, I just forgot what it is. Yeah, option 2 is mail and option 3 is chat. Just make sure you remember these icons using these modes so you get the feedback properly, right? Right now it is coding mode, now it's email, now it's chat. So this is how you change the power mode by using keyboard shortcut manually by using option key combined with 1 through 9. Similarly, you can also change the prompts only as well by using command 1 through 9. Now just use the keyboard shortcut command 1 for the first prompt, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. You see the prompt changing over here without any changes to the power mode. So this is the update in the latest version. I hope you will love it. And I would appreciate any feedback or suggestions on how this could be improved, or any other suggestions to improve the other parts of this application as well. I'm also bringing some more videos on this channel about the use cases of VoiceInk and different ways you can use VoiceInk. For this, I'll be sharing my own use cases, as well as I will get some ideas from the community to make the videos so that you get the most out of VoiceInk. I hope you have a great time. See you again in the next video.